Hey guys, Motown here.
What the fuck?
What, did you lose something?
Where's that go? We have one now.
I think that's all you had left.
Nope, I have two.
Alright.
Fly on the ground.
Alright guys.
Is that duck?
Yeah. Alright guys, we are out here. A small storm passed already.
It's not small.
It was small. The first small one passed.
Everything's bigger.
And
Yeah, we're in Texas.
everything's bigger in Texas. We are going out to fish just a little bit. There's another wave of storms coming in.
No, it's not.
It's starting to mist, or is misting.
Did you hear that thunder?
Yeah, we got thunder in the background towards that way.
Look at my mom.
It's not looking too good, but
My mom's
it looks all right.
Sort of a miss.
Hey, it looks like the moss all cleared out over there. So we're gonna try our best to catch some fish. Andrew, you keep dreaming. Are you high? Maybe. I want to say that. You know, please.
I never do drugs, kids.
Mom, Dad.
Don't stay in school. Do drugs.
Don't stay in school.
I'm kidding. We're gonna put it on.
Let's get to fishing. It's not raining too bad, so we're not gonna. With the camera being on.
Gary. Why did you like that and how to fish already, Buck? Would you cry?
I would, because the other day I didn't catch anything.
Oh! I'm stuck on a big one.
Uh-oh, camera fell.
Oh, God.
Camera fell. Sorry guys, camera fell.
You don't know how to fish.
Shut up. It's very hard to set this thing up. What the heck? How'd you set this up last time? You're not gonna tell me, you're just gonna laugh?
I'm professional.
It's starting to rain pretty good, so yeah, we probably won't be able to fish. You know what? Screw it. We're fishing. I don't give a fuck.
Honestly, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm fishing.
I'm gonna try to set this thing up.
I was putting it on the box here. It's raining pretty good. It's gonna get soaked.
Alright guys, we're gonna turn this off. We'll turn it back on if we start catching them. It's starting to rain pretty good. If you can look at the pond and see the pond. See the pond bouncing. So we're gonna turn you off and put you in my pocket. See ya.